again. As I mentioned in the previous video in regards to these chairs by the Elegance Pool, I have not seen any of the beach chairs at the beach yet, but once I go over there, I will take a look once I'm there. Probably tomorrow, Saturday, my first week here. I'm here now day 3, not including the evening when I arrived. So 3 days complete, pretty much. Now I'll show you this quickly. Now here it is. As I was saying about the poorly designed clips here, you see there's one, basically the clips they look great, and it holds it in place. See that? Brand new. And this design, as you can see, let me go back here. This design, being at a little bit of an angle, is not great. Unfortunately, what they should have done, in my opinion, is had something, like you can see, it's a good design right here. See that when you bring it back, it pushes it into the first clip. Watch. Oh, sorry, that's my bad. It does bring it back. See how it goes back? See? That's a great design there. But it doesn't want to stay here because it slides, right? So what happens is when you push it, it snaps back. The pressure for some reason causes it to snap back. Unfortunately, because of that, that creates that sudden pushback of the chair. Now, I know this is, right now I'm at 2 minutes talking about this little clip design flaw. But it is a flaw. What they should have done some way is, I don't know how they would have designed it. Either they needed a better shape, because that damage, that's going to hurt somebody. Not this, but this holds back. People are going to fall back, which I did. You saw in that video. And it's causing damage to somebody or hurting somebody, or at the very least shock. Now, again, I love the fact that they have brand new chairs, but that was dangerous to me. And I'm glad to see new change in this resort. But I might just bring that up to them, that these new chairs need to be, I think they either need to get different chairs and tell them to send back the chairs and get new chairs that actually have a better design to keep it from flopping up like that. I don't know. My only thought was there's got to be a clip in there that can like hook in instead, because that design has a decent design in some factors, but it needs to have some kind of hook to keep it from flipping back like that, with the exception of when it's all the way back. But something needs to catch. Just sitting like this, and the pressure against, like, the finger, again, I'd use my other hand, but I can't. The pressure of something pushing against it just basically snaps it up, and that is the danger. Now, I'm not a designer, but I know that's a dangerous thing, because I showed you there how it pushed up and slapped back the whole clip, or the whole plastic piece up there. Very dangerous. And a very design flaw, a large design flaw in that part of the chair. The chair itself has a fantastic mesh. Again, I have not had any issue with this part. Great, great mesh. Awesome mesh. Just the clip is dangerous. I'm probably going to bring it up to them just to give them an idea that these chairs are awesome, with that one issue, that the Italian designers clearly need to go back to the drawing board with the clip part of it to keep it in place, because that was dangerous. The previous old ones were completely the opposite. There was never an issue. I would lean back. I'm a heavy guy. I have a heavy weight back, and I'm not even putting that much pressure on it. I'm only putting the upper body up, like basically from roughly the shoulder blades up, and it snaps back. That was dangerous. I know, again, this is a long video regarding this, but I needed to show people this. The positive of the beautiful chairs, great mesh, but the design flaw of that clip. I don't know why they did a clip like that. There should have been something that it can catch so it stays on, but something needs to give there, and I'm going to let them know here that that was the dangerous part of this chair. Just so they're aware of it, that maybe they might need to go back to the supplier and let them know what's going on, because clearly there's a design flaw on that clip. It's dangerous. You saw what happened. Now, anyway, thank you very much for listening, and I will keep it at that. It's over 5 minutes on this video, maybe even closer to 6 if not more. Thank you very much, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao.